welcome back to Let's Talk, still with Mr. Emil Peredo. Emil, ito, I want to ask, what made you inspired to do this coffee table book?
Just like what I've said earlier, talagang vegan and Bantay is like Baguio and La Trinidad, right? Mas malaki yung isa mas lower ng medyo malayo dahil province, yung isa city. Parang ganon. I've palagi ako nasa Panagbenga Festival every year para MC. So dun sa mismong gitna, nakikita ko talaga ang difference niya. So kahit konti in my own special way, gusto ko rin naman mapataas ng konti yung Bantay. Kasi every time you talk to different people, tiga saan ka? Vegan. Palaging ganon. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin Bantay.
Dahil?
They don't really know. Parang ganon.
Yeah, bakit ganon? Dapat naman sabi, Bantay, Ilocosur, right? So the thing is, bakit vegan? And then sabi ko, let me concentrate on this book, and the title is All Eyes on You. So ang focus nito sa mismong Bantay lang talaga. All eyes on you. Like for example, pag-usapan natin itong ibang paano mo to, sino talaga ang nag-conceptualize na isunod-sunod itong mga pictures ito, di ba? Kasi di ba, pag gumawa ka ng ganitong coffee, para may story pa rin to. Di ba? Yung sunod-sunod na paglagay ng pictures. So this is not just things that you see on the town, but also like kagaya dito, mga pagkain as well.
That's right.
At even I see like pati yung mga establishments ay nandito rin. Pero hindi pa sila sponsors, no?
Hindi. Yung iba sponsor, kung gusto nila, okay lang.
Okay.
If you want to help, no problem. Kung hindi, okay lang. We're just here to promote it.
And may mga bago pa ngayon dito na-establish na mga...
Yes, eventually. Kasi this book is not only 1-year process. It's like a lifetime process. Parang ganyan. Basta makabuo tayo ng marami, much better. I'm very lucky since I am connected to Manila Broadcasting Company, which is the largest radio network in the Philippines. Alam mo yan, di ba?
Yes.
So, every radio station na meron ang Manila Broadcasting Company, kinakausap ko to have a tie-up. Lalagay lang yung logo nila. At the same time, pupunta tayo sa town nila. Meron silang very prestigious hotel doon. Maglalagay tayo ng book.
Okay, yun. Paglalagay ng book. Ngayon, may distribution na ba tayo nito? May mga naka-displays na ba? Or is it for sale?
No, it's not for sale. May mga distribution tayo, pero kino-conceptualize pa namin yung iba para at least we're concentrating on area muna.
Okay,
we started with Manor, Camp John Hay. There's one there. There's another one at Camayan sa Baguio na sponsor ko rin actually. Ito yung mga kinakainan. At the same time, pwede ka rin tumiryata doon.
Okay.
Tapos, I've talked to Thunderbird Hotel sa San Fernando. Go na kami doon, pero we really don't have that much time kasi natapos kami sa mga events. Kasi I'm MCing weddings also. You can contact me. Nag-MC rin ako ng mga weddings. Natapos kami gabi na. So, hindi kami makapag-picture kasama yung head doon.
Pero go na rin.
Go na doon. Tapos meron pa sa Hotel Elizabeth. That's at Baguio. Okay. There's I'm trying to talk to Lemoray, ang pag-aari yata ni Congressman Eric Singson. So I will talk to them
sa Baguio yan.
Sa Baguio yan. We're concentrating on Baguio, La Union, and eventually Manila. Since meron kaming station sa Boracay, madali na lang yun. Na lang yun, yung plane ride, yung ticket na lang.
Ticket ng book.
And I've also talked to some friends from Hawaii. They're from the province also. I'll give them the book and then sila na lang magbigay ng book doon sa hotel sa Hawaii. Parang ganon.
You talk about, ang distribution mo, Baguio, La Union, Baguio, and hopefully Manila and Boracay. Bakit doon? Sa Ilocosur, wala ka bang nabigyan na mga hotels dito or the tourism itself?
Ang process kasi is like going on the outside, coming in. Parang ganon. Uumpisahan ko muna sa labas dahil syempre, pag nandito na, kilala nila yung Bantay. Pag tiga-vegan ka, alam mo na yung tourist spots ng Bantay dahil you're just very near, a few minutes lang, parang ganon. Kaya, Juan.
So, you said kanina, nag-support din ng Bantay. Anong suporta naman ang binibigay ng Bantay sa'yo, sa coffee table na to?
They gave some financial help. At the same time, yung the same time, nagbigay din sila ng, syempre, yung ride para at least makapunta sa malalayong lugar. Kasi meron kami medyo malalayong lugar talaga na kailangan namin ng sasakyan. Minimal din, kasi I don't want to have a political agenda sa book naman na to. Parang ganun.
Talking about political, I'm supposed to ask you, why you doing this? Ano ba ang plano ni Emil Peredo? Alam namin, anak ka ng Vice Mayor ng Bantay.
Yes.
So, bakit tatakbo ka ba? Ikaw ba papalit sa tatay?
That's a funny question.
Yeah, you're young and taga-Bantay ka naman talaga.
Okay.
What?
Alam mo, usually ganun ang iniisip na iba, di ba? Every time you do a project, yun yung iniisip na iba. Pero I've been in another place for 22 years. More than that. So, tingin ko I'm enjoying going around the Philippines. Tapos, syempre, alam mo yung trabaho ng announcer. You do weddings, you do concerts, the same time yung
especially
product launching.
mga product launchings at hindi, saka product promotions na kailangan ka doon.
Parang ganun. I'm still in demand naman outside. I think it's much better for me to help Bantay by going outside, by being outside promoting it, di ba? Kung nandito ako, sa tingin mo ba makaka-promote ako for our town pag nandito lang ako? Sa tingin ko hindi. Pero I'm not closing the door since syempre ang DNA ko may political kwan pa rin, di ba? So in the next 3 or 5 years, I don't think so.
Okay. So now, sabi mo kanina sa distribution, this is free.
Yes.
As in free.
Very free. We just have to go to the hotels na doon lang available.
What if somebody wants to own a book like this? So ano yan? Pwede mo bang ibigay sa, like for example, ako gusto kong humingi, pwede mo ba akong bigyan ng libre nito?
Sa tingin ko hindi.
Okay.
You probably can buy, pero you have to contact us. Tapos gagawa tayo ng maggagawa pa kami ng book para sa mga gustong bumili. Pero yun ang pinakahuli siguro ang gagawin namin. We promote muna. Kung may gustong bumili, pagawa tayo ng personalized para sa isang tao.
So, give me a price. Kung sino mga gustong bumili, magkano ang isang book na to?
This book is sa paggawa pa lang ng book na to kasi may photography, tapos this is hardbound. Kung makikita mo, it's hardbound.
Yes,
diba?
yes.
Tapos ang computation namin sa pamimigay pa lang is like 4,500 already.
4,500.
Yes. So, dahil kasi hindi naman maramihan ang paggawa ng book. Dahil sa budget constraints namin, konti lang. So probably we can give you for 5,000, parang ganon.
So the thing is that ready naman niya for printing na lang, di ba?
That's right, for printing.
Nung conceptualize mo to, gaano katagal bago mo mabuo ang isang librong ito?
It took us 2 years.
Wow.
To make it. Kasi nilatag namin yung mga pictures. Minsan kulang, minsan kasi we have to put in the sponsors also.
Yes.
Kasi alam mo naman yung mga sponsors gusto nila ng name recognition. So ginagawan namin ng paraan para at least malagyan ng sponsors. Yung book. Okay. Tapos at the same time, meron din akong kausap na gumawa ng centennial song ng Baguio. And he's from Santo Domingo. Publico ang apelido niya, and he's a friend. He studied at UNP and now in Baguio. So kinakausap ko siya if I can haggle for free. Everything's for free, di ba? Ganon. Para at least meron ding music video na pwedeng gawin dito. Yeah. Slow steps. Parang maliit na steps lang muna. Para eventually dadami siguro.
Pa-excite siya na. But anyway, dyan ka muna, Emil.
Yes.
Magbabalik pa po ang Let's Talk.